Good morning and welcome back, everyone. I am starting it off today with a daily chart here on Dixie. We have not seen uh, a bunch of videos this week, so I just want to give you a quick rundown of the whole thing. First, Dixie is pulling back a little. We're getting a little bit of downside push into the low 105, and that means we should have upside push on Bitcoin and ETH, or they should be finding local lows and starting to look for some upside. Also, tech stocks should get some love as well. If you look at Tesla, real quick, you can see that it's found some support at the 177 area. I mean, this is basically what we were looking for anyway. Let me go to a little bit higher time frame. There you go. And we are basically consolidating here at the 180, but I do think we're going to get to that $200 level, which I said like in the last 4 videos. So whoever bought the 150 area to, what was this? 145 area, whoever bought that, they got confirmed the upside right over here at 170, and then between 177 and 197 was the accumulation for the people who got this confirmation. They could have added to their position, and we're going to be taking profit way higher, obviously, but you can start over here at around 200, take some off, and then continue as you go up. So just be aware that I do think Tesla is a decent buy right now. All right, other than Tesla, what else can we go over? Oh, so now I can turn off all this stuff and we can go over Bitcoin and ETH. So let's turn all this off. Here's Bitcoin on a daily. Obviously, kind of in the air because of overbought conditions. We are pushing back down. Yes, I do think Bitcoin can get into the 55K area. It all depends on today's close. If we close like this, then obviously further downside next week is possible. But if we can close above the level of, I think, 60K, yeah, 60,000, I would say that, hey, next week we could probably go test back into 65 before we roll on over and lose 60K for like, confirmation of support being lost and continuation to the downside. And then, 50K is a possible target if that does occur. So please be aware that those levels are in our face and coming. And once those levels get tapped and proved as support, then we can reverse and look for upside continuation. So that's why we are being patient on a weekly time frame. If you go to the daily, does that not look like where everyone is going to try to long? Doesn't this look like a bull flag on support? Look what happened last time. Look what's happening this time. You also had a little bit of consolidation here. So yeah, I mean, a little bit of consolidating here is not the problem. It's if you lose 58,000 on the daily close, that's an issue. And if you can get above 60,000 on the daily close, that it gives you an opportunity to at least go test into 65-ish, and then you could see if you could get into those higher levels. But level by level, okay, that's what we teach. So that's basically the gist that I had on Bitcoin. Let's go to ETH. ETH is a little bit more erratic than Bitcoin, and you already are under those levels. So people are selling off ETH harder than Bitcoin, and ETH is. I'm short on ETH, by the way, guys. I've been saying short ETH from like 4,000, 3,600, 35, 32. I'm still saying, hey, this just does not look like it's ready for an upside push. But after today's close, if we can close above 2,800, I'm going to say that, hey, we should go retest into 3,150 next week before a rollover. If we close underneath 3,000 today, I'm going to be looking for like lower levels and possibly even under 2,500. But at least 2,500 area I will be looking for first, right around here. Yeah, 2,500. And then if we lose 25, obviously you see these other levels marked. So it is what it is. ETH is not doing what I thought it would be doing for it to be a staking deflationary coin. Bitcoin is actually doing a little bit better, even though this thing came off very overbought conditions for the halving. It still looks like people are not just capitulating and selling. It just looks like a retest of support. So it's only, well, I mean, except for ETH. ETH looks like it lost it. Bitcoin looks like it's trying to hold it. But if today we can close above this 3,000, cool. If we can't close above 3,000 today on ETH and we continue down, I'm gonna just say right now that underneath 2,800, we're gonna be like a waterfall. So please be prepared for this over the weekend, and then next week we'll see where we close this week on Sunday, and we can look for targets for next week. If you guys are interested in trading with me live, please feel free to join the Discord server. The link to the server is in the description of the video below, alongside all the other affiliate services that I use and recommend that helps this channel grow. Last but not least, if you can, please leave a like, subscribe, press the bell button for notifications so you guys get these updates as they come out. And if you have any other questions or concerns or other assets you want me to cover, please leave it in the comment section below and I'll get back to you in the next one. Aside from that, guys, happy Friday and have a great day. Trade safe, be careful, and talk to you soon. Bye-bye.